In this project, we searched about the catastrophe of Chernobyl that happened in 1986. In Ukraine, what used to be the USSR, a nuclear power plant, had a leak and exploded. It is said that it released more radiation than the dropping of the bomb Hiroshima, Japan, in August 1945. As a result, radiation was exposed and many people died and were affected. For example, many pregnant women, when they had their babies, they were deformed or had a condition. Nuclear power plants may not release carbon dioxide during operation, but high amounts of carbon dioxide are emitted in activities when building and running the plants. So CO2 is being released into the environment when a new nuclear power plant is built. As well as the plants emit low levels of radiation into the environment. In response, there are studies that the rate of cancer has increased among people who live near the plants. And it is shown that radiation damages the DNA. Not only is radiation a problem, but radioactive waste as well. They are planning to bury the waste in mountains in Nevada, and the cooling water systems in damaging the ecosystems near the plants. Cooling systems are used to keep the power plants from overheating. They use water bodies near the plant, and fishes are captured and killed. Knowing the consequences the nuclear plants have, it makes us want to close all activity. Knowing all the consequences and its effects it's had on our planet, we prefer to find other solutions to keep producing the same outputs. We would propose the company to limit the of nuclear power or end the work in general, since many organisms are being affected. Exponential growth is the growth whose rate becomes faster in proportion as time goes by. For example, in the Chernobyl catastrophe, since radiation spread through the country, the cancer rate increased. Exponential decay, on the other hand, is the inverse of exponential growth. The high growth suddenly declines as time goes by. An example of exponential growth is that in 1986 there were 350 cell phones subscribers in Yamantel, in Mayoville. The number of subscribers to Yamantel increased by 65% per year after 1986. How many cell phone subscribers to Yamantel were in Mayoville in 1994? For exponential decay, an example could be that each year, Cemex sponsors a tennis tournament. The tournament starts with 130 players. During each round, half of the players are eliminated. How many players remain after 5 rounds?